Understanding the phrase, spell of weather. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we'll dive into the intriguing phrase, spell of weather. This term might sound magical, but it's actually a common way to describe certain weather patterns. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, understanding phrases like this can really bring your English to life. So, let's unravel the mystery of this phrase together. A spell of weather refers to a short period of time during which the weather is consistent. The key here is that the weather doesn't change much during this period. It could be a spell of sunny weather, where the sun is out and the sky is clear for days, or a spell of rainy weather, where it seems like the rain just doesn't want to stop. Understanding a phrase is one thing, but using it correctly is another. Let's look at some examples. 1. We've had a long spell of dry weather, so the gardens are in desperate need of rain. 2. The forecast predicts a cold spell of weather next week, so don't forget your coat. Notice how the phrase is often followed by the type of weather we're talking about. It's a great way to be specific about what kind of weather pattern you're experiencing. While spell of weather is quite descriptive, there are variations you can use to add more flavor to your conversation. A spell of good weather suggests a period of particularly pleasant weather. A rough spell of weather implies that the weather has been challenging or harsh. These variations help convey not just the consistency of the weather but also the quality of it. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, spell of weather. Remember, phrases like this add color and precision to your conversations, painting a vivid picture of day-to-day experiences. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you're now more comfortable using this phrase in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and you'll be speaking like a native in no time.